Hi there. We're going to talk about angles. So with angles, there are three main benchmarks that we use. So the first one is a 90-degree angle. And basically that's the same as like a corner piece of paper. And so we use the corners of pieces of paper or a card or something to check to see if an angle is in fact a 90-degree angle or what's called a right angle, or if it's larger or smaller than a 90 degree. Another benchmark that we use is a straight line, which that angle would be 180 degrees. And the last benchmark that we use a little bit is a full circle. So basically, if we took our one line, continued around, that would be a full circle, and that would be 360 degrees. So those are our three main benchmarks. Now we can use this to estimate or determine closely the measures of other angles. So for example, if we took our 90-degree angle and we split it in half, half of 90 would be 45 degrees. Then if we took that same 90-degree angle and we thought about breaking it into three equal parts would each equal 30 degrees. So one of those parts would be 30, two would be 60, and the third would be 90. Same thing, we can use that with our 180. So once we get bigger, greater than 90, so that would be our 90. And we can think about how much beyond. So if it's 90 and then about another half, we could do the 90 plus the 45. Or if we're breaking this into three equal parts, it could be 90 plus the 30, 90 plus the 60, or if it's really close to a 180 but not quite, could be something like 170, something like that. So a 90-degree angle is called a right angle. Anything that's smaller than a 90 degree would be called an acute. So basically anything from 1 degree to 89 degrees is an acute angle. Then anything that's larger than a 90 degree but smaller than a 180 is called an obtuse. So basically anything between 91 and 179 would be an obtuse. Then anything between 181 and 359 would be called a reflex. So a reflex angle is something that we introduce in fourth grade, but it's not something that they're expected to master. So by the end of fourth grade, they're expected to be able to know what a right angle is, what an acute angle is, and what an obtuse angle is.